We're here. What choice will you be? Dude, I feel like I'm gonna literally... Oh my gosh! It's like from the depth. Oh my god! We may be on... We are currently on... That's more like a vomit.
Stop. Yeah, we don't do burping. Get really drunk. Like when I first met all of our friends, I just walked around with them. God, those were kind of okay. Do it. No. Ew, they like all feel so disgusting. Burp in my mouth. I don't think I come late. All right. I'm a late bloomer. I lose. Can you do the ABCs? I'm gonna throw up. No, these are the... Oh, did you throw them away? No! That would be light out. If there. Depends.
I also had the guy fix my cat. I want to be a beauty, what is it called? A cosmetologist. I had to burp again. But I would make the girls dip their heads back. I wasn't even very good. I'm disappointed. I don't know why I did this. I really don't know who Carol or the Porg is. Leave my channel right now.
Okay.
We're playing hide and seek. Okay.
That was good.
We're filming for 20 minutes.
That's it?
We're okay. That's it?
Okay.
Let's.
Oh my god. I couldn't like cut much of this out. And it was like around the time when I was like, oh, I just want to like document, like, not that you guys know.
Do you want skins? I don't know where I want the big cactus at. I was white. She was white trash, yes, but... Actually, I was the only white person there, but... I was the one accusing her. Actually, it's just from Walmart. You gotta and drag me down. Or was that Kayla's? Was that mine? Servers where we just like build spawn and shit, but I want it to be like, that's why I like horror movies, because it's not real. Yes, I don't like the real stuff. The real stuff is like too much, I think. Okay, I think I might end. Sorry, ending you off with a burp. He's been dead for years and he got... I'll probably stream tomorrow.
Disgusting.
Oh, sorry. I've been home.
Yeah. Okay, that's getting a bit too much now.
But I thought today we could film a little mukbang.
Disgusting.
I remember.
How disgusting.
Yeah, there's
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry. And Nicholas literally just got hard thinking about it. If I'm out, you watching, hit me up. Oh. Yeah, I want me to slide.
Yeah. Okay, that's getting a bit too much now. It's the same thing, and that's something about them can be like, it can be confidence, it can be swagger, it can be cash flow.
Comfortable in front of a camera. Took experience once where I literally set fire to one. Sorry. The drunks.
Keep this slime.
But he's such a creep.
Okay, you know what? Honestly, it's very hard to film when Noah's dressed.
Oh, what's that like? You like when I make sure you look good.
Thank you.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Oh, I feel like you could get better, maybe.
One of these in your mouth. Okay. That sounds so bad, but I'm so sorry. We'll eat slow. What is he doing? Everything in the box. I only took out a little bit. Sorry. Like when you're eating. I've done it so many times during this video. I was like, wow. Wow. Condensation on what? Oh, I thought you were talking about my hair. And I was like, what? It should be illegal. I can't deal with it. Right, hey guys, this is fish fillet because it's smaller. I'm probably...
21 years. Well, she farts all the time. I don't fart. Right. You eat McDonald's more than me. Yeah. Oh my god. No, not last one. Guys, catch me on Celebrity, get me out of here.
Wear a hoodie. Oh, fuck you.
Chilled, 7-Up, got it. And cold milk, got it. Equal parts. My husband.
I like him.
How did you get on your own?
I'm so sorry. Okay.
They met. Peter, you remember that episode of Total Drama Island when Owen chugs the thing? He goes, everything you do. Okay.
There. I did it.
Done.
Ooh. I have an. Oh my goodness. There you go. We asked you guys. Johnson. Peter. Peter loves that. See what happened?
And that was Pepsi. It's cold, but
Happy birthday.
Moving off the island.
That was good. That was wet. Okay, come on, Jeremy. You can do better than this. I've got nothing left. Oh my god, excuse me. I'm just... Excuse me. Hello, my beautiful...
for 7 because exhales.
Sorry.
Exhales. Not. TikTok doesn't let you show anything. Oh no. I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna get banned after that. Pop. Question. What do fish do? Blah, blah, blah. You know what's so funny?
I've done that to her, all hell would have broken loose.
Happy New Year. I didn't even